This is a tutorial how to crochet circle using 2 colors. We'll start with a second round using yellow and pink. Once we have 12 double crochet into that ring, chain 1 and take another color and make a slip knot. Pull that knot through that first color yarn. In my case, it is yellow. And now just make double crochet. So I'll change to yellow color. Take the yellow color and make double crochet in the same stitch. Take pink and make double crochet into a next stitch. Then change yellow, make double crochet into the same stitch. So just continue like this around, changing from one color to another and making those double crochet stitches. Into each stitch, one yellow and one pink. I changed from the top, taking another color from the top, but I think it would work the other way too. Got 2 stitches, going to the next stitch, one pink and one yellow. So this is how you would crochet, changing the colors and using 2 colors for your project. This is my last stitch. This is the second round, so I should have 24 double crochet stitches. 24. And then finish this round. I will finish into a yellow that chain 2 with a slip stitch. This is how you change from one color to another, working in circle. This is the wrong side, and that is a good side. And I also was working on this project. This is pillow cover, and I have a tutorial for this one. You can check my other videos. This is how I changed from white to pink. So check other tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next tutorial.